A public health order for Salt Lake County students under 12 to wear masks in schools will be officially issued today.
But it still needs approval from the council. Fox 13's Scott McCain joins us live with where everything goes from here. Good morning, Scott. What's the latest?
Well, good morning, guys. And yeah, it officially goes through the hands of the Salt Lake County Council members. Dr. Angela Dunn, the head of the Salt Lake County Health Department, making the official announcement yesterday of a mask mandate, her recommendation. She wavered for a couple of days because she figured if I'm going to order this mandate, but yet it's going to be summarily dismissed by the county council members, why bother? But yesterday she did make this formal announcement after a quick consultation with them. And again, the ball is now in their court. That is, again, the court of the Salt Lake County Council members. They can either, go with it or they can deny it, reject it. And Dr. Dunn believes, however, in her opinion, in her medical opinion, this is the best way to protect children between the ages of kindergarten and 6th grade, the young children who are not yet eligible to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. Others, however, feel that a new mask mandate is simply unfair to those children.
Once they're going into the school setting where they're going to be in crowded indoor settings where we know COVID spreads, it's our duty to give them every opportunity to stay safe and stay in in-person learning.
Parental decision, I believe, to a point, if they want to mask their child to protect them, by all means, I think they should. But to have the government mandate that they should, when the chance of them getting it is very nil, I think that's an overreach of government.
And that would be Salt Lake County Council Chair Steve DeVry, who has said right from the get-go that he is leaning toward overturning any kind of order, even before the one was issued yesterday by Dr. Dunn. And in previous meetings, several other members of the County Council also indicating that they would not support another mask mandate. The final decision, though, expected tomorrow afternoon. So during that time, these county council members will likely hear from members of their constituents to see which way they think they should go. This meeting scheduled for 2 p.m. tomorrow. The public is invited, but they will not be able to comment, apparently. And of course, we will be following this. This is a big deal, just days away from the start of the new school year. For now, we're live in Salt Lake City. Scott McCain, Fox 13 News, Utah.
All right, Scott, so what do you think? We asked on Twitter, do you agree with the Salt Lake County Health Department's order that students under 12 wear masks in public schools? Of the more than 1,000 responses, about a third said no. A little more than 60% actually agree.
We heard from parents before the announcement was made during the Salt Lake County Council meeting. Last night was the second week in a row the council took public comment on a mask mandate in schools. There were strong opinions from parents on both sides of the debate.
But you who are sitting here without a mask on, if you vote for a mask mandate to muzzle my children and you can't even live up to what you're voting for, that is not okay.
The County Health Department reports the COVID rate in children is 300% higher now than this time last year. Doctors predict that number will grow without preventative measures.
We also talked with Heidi Matthews, the president of the Utah Education Association, about masks in schools. She says when health experts give advice, it should not be challenged.
And that when they make a recommendation, we need to do it because that recommendation is in the best interest of our students, of our schools. Any recommendation.
Heidi went on to tell us that she fears the COVID Delta variant could spiral into something out of control. She says the focus of the UEA is to keep students healthy and in school. Looking at how many kids this could impact, about 107,000 students from kindergarten to 6th grade are enrolled in Salt Lake County this fall. That's according to the State Board of Education. 6th grade is about the time kids turn 12.